What is going on, Lucid fans? Welcome back to Financial Journey. So today I got Bullish Mindset with me, and we are going to be talking about Lucid. Big news came out about Lucid, more specifically PIF. So I'm going to be talking what that news is and what that means for us as investors. So Bullish Mindset, I appreciate you joining me today.
Yeah, I appreciate you having me on. This is awesome news. I'm so excited that we even get to talk about this.
Yeah, exactly. Amazing news, especially considering I think a lot of investors personally really needed this. Lucid's been on a very much downturn. You can even see on the intraday chart, even today alone, it was down massively. And then look right here, after hours activity, it just went and exploded. So a lot of good things coming from today. And first, and before I get into that news, though, I just want to talk on Elon and PIF. So again, this all cycles back into the big news anyways, but this article is very interesting and it's from 2008. Obviously talks about how PIF and Tesla were kind of going back and forth about possible investment opportunities. So bullish mindset, I know this is a very hot topic for you. I'll let you kind of explain the general consensus of that.
Elon Musk and the PIF actually were going to have an agreement together when Elon Musk tweeted he was going to take Tesla private at $420. And this kind of created a stir all over the social media world because a lot of people didn't realize that Tesla was even thinking about going private. But the thing was, the PIF actually sold out of Tesla their entire position. They didn't backstab Elon, but they definitely chose Lucid Motors and Peter Rawlinson, and which Elon Musk refutes. So the PIF ended up investing $1 billion into Lucid Motors, which allowed them become the largest majority shareholder of Lucid Motors. And what it did was really give Lucid Motors the finances they needed to grow that battery technology that they were already receiving with the Tevia, as well as grow their entire company, because they were an EV, renewable energy and technology company, which is the same thing that Elon Musk and Tesla do. And there's only two companies in the entire world that do everything in-house for EV vehicles, and it's Tesla and Lucid. So I think it's definitely something that, we need to talk about with Tesla, because back in 2018, the PIF was actually thinking about making Tesla a production hub for Saudi Arabia. They were going to put the Saudi Arabia plant in the kingdom, but they ended up going with Lucid and selling out of their Tesla position.
Nice. And yeah, you can even see right here, as far as an organization, Lucid has obviously PIF and a lot of other big names, but PIF has 1 billion and change as far as overall shares in Lucid. So a big stake in the game. And big news came out. So obviously getting right to it though, 100,000 vehicles is being potentially purchased, a purchase deal order with the Saudi Arabia government, and that is over a 10-year span. It does say within the first roughly up until 2025, 1 to 2,000 vehicles annually. After that, it can be extended from 4 to 7, and theoretically, it is only the 50,000 vehicles with the possibility to extend to another 50,000. So again, making it that 100,000. This is a very big deal, to say the least. And like I said, a lot of Lucid investors really do need this. I posted this on Twitter as well. This goes to show and gives you a good breakdown of things to expect. So looking right here, total shipments, so 135,000 vehicles is basically works out to be about 14 billion in total revenue. So we are roughly at the 13 billion mark, give or take, with this deal. So this is a very big thing coming for Lucid. And like I said, I think a lot of investors really did need this. And this is hopefully going to be something that gets us off of the bottom and to trend up, especially leading up into our earnings. So bullish mindset. So what is your thoughts on this deal?
I am so happy and ecstatic about this deal. When I saw that there was volatility during the after hours, I was actually on a live stream with you, but that we had some technical difficulties. And honestly, somebody was like, check out Lucid after hours. And I pulled up TraderQuant and we were scrolling down and we saw a post that said 100,000 vehicles were purchased by Saudi Arabia government. And I freaked out. I think it was one of the things that we needed for this company. And we needed great news for Lucid Motors investors. This was fantastic. I am a long-term shareholder, but I understand there are a lot of people that don't have the same long-term time horizon as me, and they needed some good news. So this is absolutely terrific for any Lucid Motors investor. I am so excited.
And so looking right here, you can see the whole market cap of Lucid alone is 31.96 billion. So again, going back to the point, this is hypothetically a $13 billion deal. So this is going to add and benefit Lucid significantly, and obviously us as investors. So like I've always said, this is going to be a very bumpy ride, but long term, this is going to be a very profitable one, especially with PIF by our side. So bullish mindset, I appreciate you joining me. And for those of you, don't forget to pop over in the description below to bullish mindset and subscribe. So 542 subscribers, let's get him as high as possible. He does do a lot of good content for Lucid, as you can see. So when it comes down to it though, make sure you do pop over, subscribe to him, and don't forget to smash that thumbs up. I greatly appreciate that. Bullish mindset, thanks for joining me today.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
Cool. So with all that, I appreciate you guys watching, and let's all make a lot of money on Lucid.